Supreme Court of India is a court where you need to be an advocate on record for the purposes of filing matters in the court. The advocate on record is an institution specific to the Supreme Court itself. Advocates on record are advocates who qualify in an examination conducted by the Supreme Court, which allows them the privilege of filing matters in the Supreme Court. An advocate who is not an advocate on record cannot file matters in the Supreme Court. The court holds the advocate on record accountable for whatever happens in court. Accountability of an advocate on record is as an officer of the court. He is the person responsible for ensuring that the court and its registry interface in matters which are filed, he is held to be accountable at the hands of one particular lawyer. The advocate on record examination is quite an intense evaluation process. Those who do not practice regularly in the Supreme Court will have to actually take a sabbatical to prepare for this examination. The examination is on a prescribed syllabus. You need to master yourself with the case laws prescribed, the other papers, for instance, with regard to drafting, etc. So, any lawyer who seriously wishes to practice in the Supreme Court should take an attempt at qualifying in the advocate on record examination. The experience is also an experience to test your own abilities, because after having stepped out of college almost say 7 to 10 years before, you are again being evaluated for certain specialized skills, whether you possess that requisite standards to be an advocate on record. So it has to be taken as a challenge. Many a times, lawyers who are otherwise good are not even able to clear this examination. It is that kind of an intense experience and process. The advocate on record of the Supreme Court has the privilege of not only filing matters but also arguing cases. An advocate on record should take his job seriously. Many a times, some lawyers reduce themselves to mere filing lawyers as advocates on record. That is something which should be avoided at any cost. The advocate on record is the master of the brief. He takes important decisions such as drafting the petition, having it filed, having it listed urgently, sometimes even briefing senior counsels. These are all privileges that advocates on record enjoy. They are taken seriously by the court. So therefore, one must bear in mind that being an advocate on record is a matter of prestige. You are the officially recognized lawyer of the Supreme Court. So that's the part with regard to the institution of advocate on record.